Jesus. Jesus.
You can wish. You can wish. Wish that is blood body.
Oh. I don't want peace. Jesus.
Good number. Good number.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh. I don't want peace. Jesus. Jesus. Jesus.
It's okay. Mama.
Blood of Jesus, blood.
Oh. I don't want peace.
Hey! Your wife will run away.
Yes, sir.
Because your manhood is not working.
Yes, sir.
Your manhood not stand up.
Yes, sir.
Your security
Yes, sir.
is not doing tim.
Yes, sir.
It's just a doom worry.
Yes, sir.
I don't want peace. I want problems always. Jesus. Jesus. Jesus.
And 2025, there shall be no peace for any native doctors and as a wine. And there is only one God and one power, and that man is Jesus.
Oh.
Who brought you here? Who bring you here?
Naga go punish you.
I say I go
Naga go punish you.
What be this?
Jesus.
Oh, I'm not too much.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
It's a battle and it's a fight. Well, one thing is sure, you will come back in this altar to testify the goodness of the Lord. And you shall look so beautiful. You shall look so great talents. How do you want to look like? Do you want to look like bones when you are coming? You want to look like what?
I want to look good as I was before.
I
want to look good as I was before.
You want to look good like you was before.
Yes, sir.
I can see it in your voice. Because of the way, even though you are challenged by the sickness, your fecal are straight challenging.
Yes.
It's like you are fella. You are too fellalistic before. That is something like fellali. Yes, you understand?